going on, guys? I am back with another hiking with friends, though I only have one other person with me. Um, he was on the Mount Bierstadt one, so you guys haven't seen that vlog, you guys can go ahead and watch it. But we are at Mount Blue Sky, and it is cold. It's cold, it's windy. You can see I have my hat on, I have gloves on. Yeah, wind chills are probably sitting around in the mid to lower 40s, and it is only in August. So we're going to be hiking this. It's about 2.5, somewhere around there, miles, maybe 3, which the AllTrails tends to lie a lot. So we went the wrong way until someone was kind of screaming at us, and we at first thought they needed help, but ended up being we went the wrong way. We actually didn't catch up the trail. We ended up just straight up.
Neo,
Hi, buddy.
you're getting your photo taken. Neo.
Come here.
Whenever anyone crouches or sits, he wants to go in for the ears.
You want to go in for the ears? Oh, hi, buddy.
He's
That's
such
right.
a good boy.
That's a good boy. Ready? Ready to go hiking? So I gotta get going. Well, I'll see you on the trail. We are, when you start getting closer to the false summit, it feels like it's just a free-for-all. You just go wherever. Just follow the cairns everywhere. And some people don't. We ended up going off course earlier. Our neighbors all the way in the distance, they had a good eye. And they're like, hey, it's this way, it's this way. So, it is windy and it's chilly. And that wind chill is low 40s. That has to be. That's the view. the view. So we start getting into these literally this false summit area. Just follow the cairns and you'll be all good. Because there's a lot of people who kind of weren't doing that. And yeah, don't be fooled by the false summit. What's that? We got these little critters. Oh, we don't know where we're going again. Believe that. Believe that. There you go. Good. And then, you guys can see it. You guys see those lower clouds moving pretty quickly? That's your low-level jet. I don't know if you guys can see it. I can kind of see it on the screen. So, imagine taking a break with this view. Oh yeah. I will say, I will take, even though it's windy as hell, I would take this temperature over the one in Parker or even Denver that reaches like 80 degrees. These guys, crazy. Oh, that is great. I love that. We made it! Yay! Woo! It's our neighbors! Woo! 14,200 and something feet high! Woo! 65, 68! 68, it's 68. Alright guys, if you guys can hear me, it's windy. Anyway, we summited Mount Blue Sky. I think it's 14,268 feet. Some people had 265, somewhere around there. So, but we did it, my second 14er, and can't wait to be able to do a lot more. So until then, that is all for this adventure. Next 14er is going to be the Calibron, which is 4 14ers in one loop. So I can't wait to see you guys there. Until then,